Today we are knowing how to claim CryptoZilla airdrop coin. So as usual, we have to go to Trust Wallet, and there we have to click D apps there and at the down, and you can see this uh, search place where we have to copy paste the link which will be provided to you in the description box. So after clicking that, so website will be opened like this, cryptozilla.club. So we have to change this Ethereum logo into Smart Chain logo. Okay, we have to click like this. After that, a screen will be opened like this. So there you can see the king of crypto world's first rewarding platform, like claim airdrop, roadmap, BSC scan, everything. So we have to just scroll it down, and we can find here the option of claiming. So claim airdrop. So we are left with 38 days to claim this CryptoZilla. So after that, we have to click on the claim airdrop button. So once we click, it will take us to the screen, smart contract call, which will be linked to Trust Wallet. There your charges and all will be given. So we have to make sure that we have sufficient balance in our smart chain BNB. So we have to give approve there. So once we have given approve, so our coin will be claimed there. So after that, we can just scroll it down and read all the details, anti-dumping system, and when it will be launched, and all the other details will be mentioned about the CryptoZilla coin. So community is there in Twitter as well as Telegram. Okay. So you can see that crypto paper. If you click on that, you will be knowing about the company introductions. So company, what is company into, and what will be the charges of the company for transaction, how does it work. So these type of details will be known stepwise, like 1, 2, and other details. The truth is in the data. Be the hero. Powerful proprietary personal. So every transaction will burn 1% of the transaction amount. Tokenomics. So total supply is 1 quadrillion. Okay. Then we have to again come to the home page, and we can just see the roadmap there. Roadmap in the sense when company will list, and what are all the platforms it is going to be listed, and what will be the time frame for listing. So everything, every details will be given down. We can see one by one. So after that, you have to come to BSC scan. So if we click that BSC scan, it will take us to the bscscan.com website, where we can find all the details of that coin CryptoZilla. So mainly we can see the contract address here. So we have to copy that contract address. So this procedure is done to just see our claimed coin in our Trust Wallet. So what we have to do is we have to copy that, and we have to go to the trust wallet again, and in there we have to click the wallet button, which will be in the down the left corner. So after that, um, we have to just click on the upper right side corner. So after clicking that, we will get an option of search tokens. There we have to copy paste that contract address, which will be copied from the BSE scan website. So once we have copied that, pasted that, and we have to give add custom token. So after that, we have to change that Ethereum into smart chain, because this will belong completely to smart chain network. Okay, after that, so we have to just click on the paste button. So our contract address will be pasted there. CryptoZilla's token contract address will be pasted there, and then so your claimed coin will be clearly visible in your trust wallet. So you can see that